Now, Molly Martens, who was convicted of murdering her husband, Irishman Jason Corbett, has been released from prison in the US ahead of a retrial. Molly's father, Tom, who had also been convicted of the murder before last night's release, spoke briefly outside court.
Mr. Martens, how does it feel to be out?
I'm glad to be back with my family.
You feel sorry for
Please
it?
direct any of your legal questions to my lawyer.
Okay, we are now joined by Ralph Regan, Southern correspondent with the Irish Independent, who has been following this case from the start. Ralph, just bring us up to speed with what happened in court.
Yeah, yesterday, Shane, was a bond hearing. What had happened was last month the North Carolina Supreme Court found in favour of the Martens in the overall challenge to the original conviction from Davidson County Superior Court back in August of 2017. And that effectively quashed the original conviction and effectively endorsed a retrial. Now, they had been held without bond up until now. And last week, both Tom and Molly Martens were transferred from separate North Carolina prisons to Davidson County Jail, which happens to be located right beside Davidson County Courthouse. And yesterday, the defence lawyers brought a bond or bail application before the judge, asking that their clients be released on bail. And the judge effectively granted it. He endorsed the original bond value, which was $200,000 or about €170,000. An application for that bail amount to be increased was opposed by the defence teams and was rejected by the judge. So both were released from custody and we're now awaiting to hear details of any retrial.
Okay, there must be huge relief for the Corbett family that the retrial is going ahead, because it did seem up to yesterday that there might be a plea bargain that would be accepted.
Yeah, very much so, Shane. And that was very, very obviously distressing for them. I mean, given the circumstances in which Jason Corbett died on August the 2nd, 2015, they were vehemently opposed to a plea bargain deal. The family had said that under a new element of North Carolina law, they would actually take a legal challenge to any plea bargain deal and take it before a judge on grounds of perceived leniency. There was also a petition launched on their behalf, and that petition attracted enormous attention, not only in Ireland, but of course in the United States. And my understanding is that there was significant contact by members of the public with the District Attorney's Office in Davidson County over any such plea deal. The deadline was set for yesterday, and that deadline passed without a plea deal being accepted. And it was made very clear yesterday that both Tom and Molly Martens were released on bail pending a retrial. So what happens now is the District Attorney's Office has gone into pre-trial mode, and we will hopefully in the near future hear details of roughly when that trial is planned.